scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Figure 1 is the whole game here, and this one moves fast. Find which process needs every step shown, not just one piece. Start by reading Figure 1 as a full pathway, not isolated events, because the question asks which process requires every step represented, so we need an option matching the complete sequence. Retrovirus replication fits that full flow, because after entering a host cell, it uses all the steps shown in Figure 1, while the other choices use only parts of that pathway. So option B wins, because retroviruses uniquely require the entire sequence, whereas standard signaling, microRNA regulation, and plasmid production do not need every step. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, rushing past signs. Rule, trust what's given, and check whether every step in the figure is required.